Hey everybody, Patina Pete. We're ready to bring another one in the shop. The cab over was so good, it only took a day. We're ready to bring this one in. So this, I'm choosing to bring this one in first because it's absolutely not going to run. The motor's missing a bunch of pieces, like a cylinder head. You kind of need that to make it run. This one here is just going to be a quick cleanup, mess with the sliding doors a little bit, get this patina to shine. This is a mid-50s Metro. This is the shorter one. I believe it's a 3/4 ton short wheelbase. That's what it is. It's a 3/4 ton shorty. It's not like the Metro Might, which was the half ton, but this is still a short van. Had a 6-cylinder in it, no good. It's missing a bunch of parts. This was an underwater salvage company's van out of Texas, which is really, really cool. I love this Mermaid. We're gonna try and get all of this to come out. Even the back of this van, I believe, says like I'd rather be underwater, which is pretty cool. This one already rolls, it steers, it's not gonna run, so it's gonna be pretty straightforward. We're just gonna clean it up the best we can. That's actually, that one says I'd rather be diving, but this is still a good van for sure. I mean, people like to put these on the ground, LS swap them just like they do with anything else. People use them for food trucks, for little boutique stores, whatever. So very popular vans. We're gonna get this one in, clean it up, kind of do our special cleanup to it, put the patina sauce on it. Don't forget Patina Pete 1 on sweetpatina.com if you're interested in buying some of the sauce. This stuff's awesome. Let's go ahead and get it in the shop. I'm not gonna want to. Okay, that was a minute, but.
good box. This one's broke. Broke too. Hey Joe, 2 of these manifolds are broke. They're back. Things that can come to good use. This is bad. You can see it's broke. Someone cut it or something. Now we can pressure wash the inside all out. And it'll be all decently clean for the most part.
Let's get all the dirt.
See how it's all going to look about the same? So we're going to hit it again the same way. I was thinking about trying to like get it all to look kind of like the back doors on that side. That would be like the most uniformed I can get it. I do have just a tiny bit of that sauce. That's same with the headlights up here. They're the original paint. That's the original color. Up here is that original color. Just some of the blue came off. But I kind of like it like that. It's kind of like uniform. Oh shit. That's bad. We got a lot off. That's hot. Get some oil.
All right, so we're all done with this 56 Metro. I know we talked a lot in the video about putting the sauce on it. A lot has happened here in the last couple weeks. I have a bunch of interest on this right now the way it is, so I don't want to waste the sauce basically, because at this point in time I don't need to pull in any buyers. We have the buyers, we're working out logistics and stuff and pricing. I'm going to leave it alone for right now. We have a lot of other stuff to do, but she's ready to go. This is the shorter one of the two. This is obviously the blue one, is how we were referring to it, blue shorty. This one's a little less wheelbase, still a 3/4 ton, still an SM122. This one will have no motor, just a roller in it, good title on it, ready to go, ready to get turned into your food truck, merchandise truck, prop for your business, or restore it back to original, whatever you want to do with it. Asking $9,500 on it, unless you want to take the pair. If you're interested, hit me up, 412-335-6100. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have cars like these in your garage, if you have a fastback Mustang or convertible Impala, a nice original paint pickup truck or an old cab over truck, and you want to sell it, I'd love to try and put a deal together with you. You can get a hold of me at 412-335-6100. We pay excellent prices. We pay finder's fees. You know, it's no secret. We do make a little money on the YouTube videos, so that allows me to pay, you know, sometimes market value or really good prices for these cars. We'd love to come out and drag it out of your barn. We'd love to film it. We'd love for you to be a part of that whole process. So if you have an original paint or an original old fastback Mustang that needs work, like these ones I have on my trailer, or if you have an old pickup, or again, a convertible Impala, cab over truck, whether it doesn't matter where you are, we buy nationwide here in the United States, all the way as far as California. I've had stuff, New Mexico, Arizona, Oregon, Washington, high desert stuff we love. So, or if you're on the East Coast and it's a rusty Mustang or a rusty convertible Impala, that is fine. We typically don't buy many trucks on the East Coast, but I buy a lot of cars on the East Coast. If you have cab over parts also, especially for these early Fords, I'd be interested in that. It never hurts to send me an email or a text. IronCityGarage@gmail.com. You're welcome to send me an email or a text message, probably the best. You kind of get an instant answer that way. 412-335-6100. I'd love to talk to you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully we can make a deal on what you guys have on your farms or in your garages.